Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new or you're just tuning in, my name is Sydney and today I'm super excited to bring you guys another video. Today we have a hair sponsor from Dola Hair. They sent me over this package, so if you're interested to see everything I got, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is what their packaging looks like. Super cute. I love zebra print. It's one of my favorite animals because I love their print, so this is super cute. And in the inside I really like this because it has this little cute sign that says hello gorgeous, so I thought that was a cute touch to your package. I have a box full of goodies that they sent over, so let's start with this. First we have a little card and it says thank you for your order, and you also receive some cash back once you purchase your wig, so I think that's super cute. I got some wig caps. I got this and I got 2 pieces of the wig caps. Now the wig that they sent me is the 20-inch 180% density. I think this is a medium sized cap wig. This is their invisible lace wig and I'm super excited because I haven't tried anything like this. So when you open your little pouch, you get your wig, have some tissue paper going on, and you get a little hairnet to protect the hair. Super cute. This is what the hair looks like. Those curls look really nice. And so in the inside, as you can see, they have this like design where you don't even need to bleach your knots or anything because it's already bleached, but this is supposed to give the illusion of scalp. So I'm really excited to try this out. In the inside, it does come with this nice adjustable strap, which I do like. And then it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 combs in the inside. And it also does have some adjustable straps down below. Now, let's get back to the goodies. You also get a brush in your package. And you also get a edge comb. So you can never have too many of these, so I'm really happy they sent that. So if you're interested to see me install this bad boy, then just keep watching. Okay, so I simply placed the wig on my head and I wanted to come on and show you guys how good this wig already looks. Now, the knots are already bleached, it came like that, but I wanted to show you what the invisible scalp looks like on the head. As you can see, that parting is really good and I really like the way that it looks like your scalp. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna comb out this hair. As you can see, this is gliding like butter and this hair is dry. I'm just gonna move this out of the way so that I could get to the installation process. So far, as you can see, this hair is really nice and soft, which is a plus because we love a good curly hair type of situation. I'm loving this unit already. Like I love the way this looks, like super cute. All right, so now I'm just gonna clip this out of the way and then we can get on to cutting the lace and installing it. Now I'm gonna be taking my wig grip gel. I am obsessed with this and you're gonna need your blow dryer, so let's get started. So first I'm gonna start off by cutting the little ear tab part. I already cut that and I cut a slit right here so that when I apply my glue I can have some room to adhere that. And do you see how that just melted into the skin like that? That is just bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to make some slits around the front of this lace. Okay, so now that we have all of our flaps, I think we are gonna go in and start installing her. So I'm gonna be taking my wig grip gel and I wanna show you, I like to use this little lipstick brush. I got this brush from BH Cosmetics. This is the brush number 6. And what I like to do is put some on, literally paint it on. That's what I do. I'm gonna be taking my wig grip gel, placing some on the back of my hand like this, dipping it into the brush, and literally applying it to the spot that I'm gonna tack down first. Cutting it like this, it allows you to work in sections. So now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and hold or blow dry this down till it gets a little bit tacky, and then I'm gonna hold this down and do the same process throughout. Okay, so now that that's a little bit tacky, I'm going to stretch this part down and hold it there. I'm gonna also take the back of a rat tail comb. Okay, so now that that side's done, I'm gonna complete the process throughout the side of my head. Okay, so now that every side is laid down, I'm going to put my scarf on and let it marinate for a little bit, and then I will show you guys how I take off these little flaps. Okay, so this is the hair all combed out. I am going to define these curls while I wait for the lace to adhere. So I'm just gonna finish combing it out. I really like this hair just like this, but I'm not gonna wear it like this. I'm gonna spray it down with a little bit with my spray bottle. All right, so now that I have my hair a little bit damp, I'm going to be taking the argan oil foaming mousse. Give it a few little squirts, and then I'm just gonna simply rub my hands together and rake it through the hair like this, and then scrunch. Editing Sydney here, and I'm just looking at this hair like, wow, this water wave texture is really bomb. I'm having a hard time deciding if I like it better wet or if I like it better dry. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys think. But anyways, back to the video. Don't forget to check the description to get yours. This has been marinating for a while now, so I'm going to take off this scarf and see what it looks like. This is what the lace is looking like. Okay. As you can see, that is really blended into my skin, so I am super excited to see what everything looks like. So I'm gonna just take my little eyebrow razor, and I'm just going to cut these little flaps off. This is what we are left with. I left this like this because I'm going to cut me some baby hair. So I'm going to take my razor. Alright, now that that's done, I wanted to show you guys the parting on this wig. Like, that is giving scalp, okay? And we are here for it. This wig looks like it was typically meant to be worn as a middle part, but I'm kind of feeling the side part. So I'm going to swoop these baby hairs, and then I will be all done and I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, so now that I have it all wet down with some baby hairs, it wasn't giving what it needed to give, so I decided to wet it down. I'm going to be taking some Curl La La from Aunt Jackie's, and I'm going to be running it through the hair like so. This hair is so soft. It's like unbelievable how soft this hair is. So pretty. I'm gonna stand up to show you guys. Just running it through, scrunching the ends a little bit. And this is the final result. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.